Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to fix Microsoft Authenticator app not showing code. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the settings of your phone. Then you want to scroll down until you find your app management. Then you want to go and click on app list. After that, you want to go and click on Authenticator. Then you want to go and click on storage usage. Then you should click on clear data, then click on clear cache. You should know that there are several methods in order to solve this issue, and that was the first method. Now let's jump into the second method. The second method is to simply go back to the Authenticator app after you click on clear data, then click on OK, then click on clear cache, then click on OK. You want to go back and click on force stop to the Authenticator. Then you want to go and click on force stop again. And now you want to go back again and go and open the Play Store, App Store, whatever you have. Then you want to go and make sure that you have the latest updates. So you just have to search for Microsoft Authenticator, then go and check if you have an update. If you have an update, just update it and your issue will be fixed. And that was the third method. So now to recap, the first method is to force stop the application. The second method is to clear the cache and clear data. The third method is to update the application. Now let's go to the fourth method. The fourth method, we are going to open the settings again. Then you want to search for date and time. Then you want to go and click on set automatically and toggle this option on. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.